Vineet Kulkarni says play. Here we go. Thakur to Uthappa. Good delivery. Playing inside the line was Robin Uthappa. Not going and reaching for the ball outside the body. Glorious shot. What a way to get off the mark there, KL Rahul. Magnificent to watch. Mid-runs. Uthappa will get off the mark. It's a very quick outfield. Not from the middle of the bat, but he'll get 4. There's a big gap between point and the man at mid-off, so it'll run away to the boundary easily. Fielder getting unweighted, and Sandhu is taking the catch, so the short delivery has worked. KL Rahul getting a couple of boundaries, just getting carried away.
That's a big wicket. As far as Mumbai are concerned, KL Rahul just goes after that short one. A thick edge. And Balwinder Sandhu at fine leg, making no mistake. Shardul Thakur, the man in form for Mumbai, is on song again here in the semi-finals. KL Rahul gone for 15, it's 19 for 1.
मिक्स अप रनआउट का चांस हो सकता है. डायरेक्ट हिट, करीबी मामला होगा. थर्ड अंपायर के पास जाएंगे हम.
Samat's desperate dive. Let's take a look. And that's closer to the stump, and then he's shot off the crease only just, but he's got to go. This is a major break, and what an effort. A pickup, and then in one little sling finds a stump at the non-striker's end. So Samat, the talented man, well, you might as well go and have it inside whatever that you're asking for. Sadly for you, run out. It's Akhil Herwadkar trying at the stumps, and they've lost the second wicket, Karnataka. Oh, top edge, and that's flying, and it's flying out of the ground. Oh, lovely shot this. Oh, brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
लाजवाब शॉट. एक और बाउंड्री. थोड़ा सा दिशा से भटक गए थे यहां और उसका खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ा.
फुल टॉस, और फुल टॉस का पूरा फायदा उठाया. अगर आप मनीष पांडे को फुल टॉस करोगे या छोटी गेंद करोगे तो आपको छोड़ेंगे नहीं.
Bit of swing, excellent shot, superb placement.
बेहतरीन शॉट. अगर आपको 50 रन पूरे करने तो इस शॉट से पूरे कीजिएगा. क्या लाजवाब शॉट, रॉकेट की तरह गया.
A flighted delivery, a lot of time to get to the pitch of the ball, and nice flow of the bat. That's a much better shot. The 7th boundary getting him to 52, and he's played well. Robin Uthappa. Get too much width, no chance for Sandhu in the deep. We saw earlier in the package, when there was width provided, he hits them for boundaries, Robin Uthappa.
Smacks that one over the bowler's head. Well, that's the safest place to hit. 108 for 2. Well, in a position, you're talking about bad position to be playing at a delivery, way outside off stump, looking for a single with a point deep. Robin Uthappa falls. And that's the wicket they wanted desperately, Mumbai.
Oh, beautiful shot. Karun Nair, he starts off this session in style. Oh, a beautiful shot. Magnificent shot through covers. Stood tall and just dispatched it to the cover boundary.
अपील और आउट. शार्दुल ठाकुर इस साल मुंबई के मेन बॉलर रह चुके हैं और सही समय पे डेंजर मैन मनीष पांडे का विकेट चटकाया.
Umpire had no hesitation in calling that out. It's 133 for 4 and Manish Pandey gone for 34.
धन्यवाद. क्या गेंदबाजी हो रही है. शार्दुल ठाकुर, वाह भाई वाह.
I'll tell you what, his tail is up. Shardul Thakur is producing another magnificent spell. That one was a beauty. Came in after pitching and hit the top of off stump. That's what all the coaches tell you to do. Hit the top of off stump. Shardul Thakur, a miss. A very inspiring spell. Kunal Kapoor has to go back to the pavilion without scoring. It's 133 for 5.
That's a beauty. Cracking good shot. Although he was playing away from the body, it found the middle of the bat. And there'll be a pressure reliever for Karun, who was put down when he was 8. Now this boundary takes him to 12. Short and wide. It's gone through. This will add to the confidence of Karun.
Lovely drive. Just the fair amount of swing for him to get in, reach out and slide it through extra cover to the boundary. Brings up the 150. It's 152 for 5. Struck on the pad. Is it looking close? Yes, he's gone. Straight the ball swinging back with CM Gautam walking across the stumps. There's always going to be a sitting duck to anything striking his pad. And that's a big wicket.
Umpire Srinivasan had no hesitation in giving that out. It was out. Gautam gone for 4. It's 153 for 6, Karnataka.
And gone, edge. This time Sandhu strikes. It's all falling apart for Karnataka after winning the toss. Wickets back to back, and all the time it's going to be trouble.
Well, it's all happening here at the Chinnaswamy. Balwinder Sandhu just draws Shreyas Gopal forward, and all he can do is just watch that nick go to Aditya Tare. Well, they are happy. They are a happy bunch of cricketers, Mumbai. Not him. Shreyas Gopal gone for a golden duck. 154 for 7.
And the bowlers have been aiming at the pad, but this is an exquisite drive down the field. Kunal Kapoor, rather Karun Nair. Short ball doesn't time it too well, but will go so fine, and taken the option and sends it to the boundary.
That's pulled away. Much better shot. Take 4.
अब बताइए इसका क्या जवाब है रोहन?
Best shot of the over.
बोल्ड यार अच्छा अच्छा मिल गया आराम से
हो गया काम.
कम ऑन
ये क्या कर बैठे आप दोनों? एक बार फिर वही तालमेल का अभाव.
That's unnecessary because Vinay Kumar was batting really well.
178 पे 8वां झटका लगा. अब वापस चले विनय कुमार 17 रन बना के. और लीजिए अंदरूनी किनारा एक और झटका लगा यहां कर्नाटका को.
Magnificent bowling from Shardul Thakur. Have a look at this. Inside edge. Absolutely no hesitation in the umpire's mind when he lifted his finger up. Can he make it another fifer in this game? Abhimanyu Mithun departs for 0. It's 179 for 9.
ये अच्छा शॉट है. जी हां बिल्कुल माना. ये बहुत बढ़िया शॉट है.
Beautiful shot. Magnificent.
Just wavered. Raru's delivery. These are easy pickings for a well-set batsman. Karun getting a boundary, his 6th boundary, gets him to 45. Catches the call, but it's in the gap. It's a very quick outfield. The timing good from Karun again.
Outside edge, and he's been given out. That's the last wicket that has fallen for Karnataka. 202 is the score.
Well, poor cricket. Too close to be playing the cut shot. He just needed to defend, hitting the toe end of the bat. And a straightforward catch for Aditya Tare behind the stumps. And second wicket there for Wilkin Mota. Shardul Thakur will finish with just 4. Deserved a fifer. But Mumbai have done an excellent job. Karnataka winning the toss and batting first have been bowled out for 202 in just 60.2 overs. Karnataka winning the toss and deciding to bat first. Very good batting conditions. Top score of 68 for Robin Uthappa, but once he fell and that partnership with Manish Pandey, who got 34, was broken. Only Karun offered some resistance. The others collapsed dramatically.
Shardul Thakur was the pick of the bowlers. 4 for 61 in his 18 overs. 1 for 57 for Balwinder Sandhu. 2 for 18 in his 14.2 overs by Wilkin Mota, and 1 wicket to Abhishek Nair. Karnataka have been bowled out for 202.